I'm Jami Coleman, and I want to take a few minutes to tell you what is probate and what you can expect during the process. Probate occurs after you've lost someone that you love, and it's because of that our goal is to ensure that this process is clear and stress-free for you. So what is probate? Probate is the legal process of settling someone's estate after they've passed away. It's how we make sure debts are handled properly, how assets are transferred correctly, and how we make sure that the right people receive what they're legally entitled to receive. If someone leaves a will, probate is the process the court uses to carry out those wishes. But here's something a lot of people don't realize. When you don't leave a will, Florida will leave one for you. And that means Florida law decides who inherits, how much they inherit, and in what order. And those results don't always match what families expect or what the person would have wanted. So here's what probate usually looks like, step by step. First, we gather information from you about your loved one that has passed away, what they owned, the value, and how it was titled. We also ask about the family background, what we like to call the family tree. When you meet with us, we give you what is called an affidavit of heirs. This form tells the court who was related to the loved one that has passed away. We also request the original will, the original death certificate, and the funeral bill. Once we've gathered that information, we then prepare documents and we file them with the court. And depending on the type of administration, we may ask the court to appoint what's called a personal representative. In Florida, there are generally two types of probate administration used. There's formal administration and summary administration. Formal is when the assets are more than $75,000 or that you need to appoint a personal representative. It's a longer process, more documents, and it tends to be a bit more expensive than a summary administration. A summary administration is when the assets are $75,000 or less, or the person has passed away, has been gone for more than 2 years. In a summary, a personal representative is not appointed. Next, we identify and secure the estate assets. We notify creditors and we handle any valid debts or expenses. Whether you're doing a formal or a summary, if the person that passed away has been gone for less than 2 years, then we have to publish what's called a notice to creditors and file it. A notice to creditors is when we give creditors time to file their claims. If we know of a creditor and we serve them, then they have 30 days to file their claim. When we publish the notice to creditors, the creditors have 3 months to file their claims. So once the creditor period has ended, now we address the assets and determine what creditors, if any, need to be paid or satisfied. This is an important step and usually takes the longest after we've waited the creditor period to end. Not all creditors are paid during this step, especially those creditors who received notice but did not file a claim. Finally, once everything is accounted for, we distribute the remaining assets to the beneficiaries or heirs and close the estate. Our job is to handle the legal heavy lifting, explain your options clearly, and keep the process moving, while protecting you from any unnecessary stress or mistakes. Your job is to ask questions, make informed decisions, and lean on us when things feel overwhelming. If you're navigating probate now or planning ahead to avoid it later, you don't have to figure it out alone. We're here to walk with you through each step, answer your questions, and make sure things are handled the right way. Thank you for trusting us. We look forward to helping you.